this is the most powerful profit calculator and the most easiest tool to use in doing PR. So I'm gonna show you how to use it. I'm gonna show you what are the features in there. Okay, next will be the Seller Amp. I will discuss about Seller Amp. It is one of the profit calculator tool that I used before, and I conclude that this is the most powerful profit calculator. Okay, I use RevSeller, I use Easy Insight profit calculator, but the most effective or the most has a lot of features can be used in doing PR, and the most easiest tool to use is the Seller Amp. Okay, I'm gonna discuss to you. I'm gonna show you how to use it. I'm gonna show you what are the features in there and everything. Okay, first, Seller Amp or SAS or Sourcing Analysis Simplified provides key data you need for Amazon Online Arbitrage and Wholesale Arbitrage. Analyze products using SAS on any website with a single click. Okay, pakita ko yung SAS. Ito yung SAS. Okay? Dito sa SAS, makikita mo yung product title, anong category niya, the ASIN, the UPC, di ba? Mabilis lang. Same lang pa din. Meron pa din si RevSeller. Yan. So, dito makikita mo if gated. Once na-connect yun sa Seller Central ni client, dito, eligibility niya, if allowed ka ba i-resell or hindi, or gated ka ba. Yan. Alerts. Dito sa alerts, bibigyan ka ng ni SAS if ang product ay, let's say, nandyan si Buybox, nandyan si Amazon, or yung Buybox is dominated by Amazon, if private label yung product, or meron siyang IP history, IP claim history, or yung size niya, oversize siya, meltable ba siya, hazmat ba siya, meron ba siyang variation, lahat, ibibigay niya lahat. So, which is, meron din naman yung ibang tool, pero hindi ganong kadami dito. Okay, yung BSR, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta sa data. Sales, estimated sales, nandito din, which is wala yung tool na to. Max cost, magagamit mo to during once nag-source ka, actually manual or even reverse sourcing, magagamit tong max cost. Mamaya i-discuss ito. Cost price, dito mo nalalagay yung product kung magkano mo binili. Let's say binili mo ng $12. Yan. So, meron siyang profit na $3, meron siyang profit margin na 13% at ROI na 28%. At lahat nandiyan na lahat. Yung kailangan mo na info. Dito naman is makikita mo yung current price niya. Let's say current BSR, Buybox, Amazon, kung yun sa Amazon, lowest FBA seller price, FBM, at lahat. Meron din in 30 days. So, hindi mo na kailangan pumunta kay Kipa. Nandiyan na lahat. Binigay na ni SAS. Next is, dito rin makikita mo if si Amazon nandiyan siya last 30 days. Kung private label ba siya, IP, yung size, multiple or hazmat, variation. Yan. Meron siyang sariling Kipa niya. Yun nga lang, hindi gaano mas klaro. Mas importante pa rin nandiyan si yung actual Kipa niya. Okay? Yan. So, kung ano yung fulfillment mo, mag-FBM ka lang ba or FBA, pwede mo palitan. May iba yung fees niya. Kung estimate mo kung hanggang matagal ba nabibenta yung product mo, so, syempre, gusto natin 1 lang talaga. 1 month yung maximum. Ayaw natin magbayad ng storage fee ng mas malaki. Okay? Kung small and light naman ng product, let's say below $10 yung price, pwede mo ito turn on yan. $12. Profit, andyan, max cost, total fees. Yan, ito yung total fees. Kung magkano yung babayaran natin kay Amazon. Yan. Profit margin, break-even price. Yan. So, pag babagsak siya ng $20.96, talo, lugi na tayo. Yan yung break-even price. Dito naman, makikita mo yung number of sellers. So, ito, si seller number 1, meron siyang 4 na stock. Yan. Yung price niya is 34, yung profit niya is 11. Same din dito sa pangalawang seller. Yan yung mga binibigay ni SAS. Okay? So, si SAS is not only a profit calculator tool, you can use this as a powerful tool for doing manual sourcing and reverse sourcing. Okay? And thank you.